everyone, we are back with a new project and we have Miss Katrina with us and she will explain us about the project location and everything. Hello, welcome.
Thank you so much.
Now tell us about the location of the project and the amenities around the project.
Okay, so hello everyone. We're now at the very city center of Istanbul in the area which is called Şişli Bomonti. Our project is located right here, and as you see from the distances, it's just the right heart of the city. So we have only 8 minutes until Nişantaşı area. This is a very upscale neighborhood with all of these branded shops like Gucci, Prada, cafes, restaurants, and so on. Cevahir Shopping Mall is located right here, which is 10 minutes by walking, which makes like 1 kilometer. And Taksim Square is around here, only 15 minutes walking as well. I'm sure that everyone knows Taksim Square.
Because people, mostly people from Pakistan or all these countries to know about Galata, Taksim or Bosphorus. So I believe these all things are near to our project, right?
It's very near. For example, if we talk about the Galata Tower, it's just here. Like, if you walk, let's say, it will take you around 25 30 minutes. So basically, everywhere you go, everywhere you can reach only by walking. For example, from the tunnel, which starts here and goes until here, you can reach Beşiktaş within 5 minutes. When I talk about Beşiktaş, I mean Ortaköy area, I mean Bebek area, Arnavutköy area. These are all the areas which is, let's say, very also upscale and highly wanted.
High-end areas.
Yeah,
exactly.
High-end area next to the Bosphorus with the nice restaurants, with the nice cafes, nice housing, and so on.
And Beşiktaş, I would like to tell you, it is a famous football stadium here. And people of Turkey, they are crazy about the football. So I believe this is the best place if you are the football fan. So anything else about the location, ma'am, you wanted to tell us?
Listen, this is one of the main upscale neighborhoods in Istanbul now, because if you look at the city center, you will realize that there is no other place to live. For example, if we take Nişantaşı, yes, it's very upscale, but the buildings are very old, like 50 years old, no parking lot, no security. Mecidiyeköy the same, Taksim is the same. This area is very quiet, it's very green. The people who are living here, let's say the level of the people is much higher than around us. So a lot of businessmen who are living here, a lot of people who work in the hospitals like doctors and
Professionals.
Professionals, exactly. For example, we have Fatih Mimar Sinan University, which is 100 meters away from here.
Just from here.
Professors, architects, all of them, they're living here.
So I can conclude that we have Galata Tower, we have Taksim, we have Bosphorus Bridge, Golden Horn, Beşiktaş, and everything. The main artillery, the main hub of Istanbul is just around us, maybe next 20 minutes walk.
Exactly, that is right.
Perfect.
Maximum 20 minutes you can get anywhere walking.
Done. Hello everyone, this is Adil Sami. By the way, we just came into this apartment. I found this really good book and I started reading it. It is really good book, The Tipping Point. So let me get back to the point. You have already seen the locality. We have already told you in the starting of the video. I'll start my conversation by saying this, that I always say that the land in the world is limited, and I can prove you today easily. This area, you can just see the importance of this area. We have Taksim, we have Sultan Ahmed, we have the Bosphorus here. We have everything nearby here. And unfortunately or fortunately, in our countries, what they do, they destroy the heritage, destroy everything. But here, because we have a good history of Turkey, 4,000 years we have a history. And people and the government, they don't want to destroy it, they want to preserve this heritage. So this project is beautiful project, just in the heart of all these things. We have everything around us. We have already told you this thing. So project is good itself. This is 3+1 apartment. In this we have 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Locality, I'll emphasize it once again. If you love something good, if you wanted to invest in a good place, then I think that this is one of the best places. And in terms of prices, mostly people ask us, sir, you should tell us the prices first. You should tell us the prices first. So I should tell you that starting price of this project starts from $3,500 and it can goes up to $4,500. It depends upon the view. It depends upon the floors of the apartment. So these are the things. Now we'll show you about the project. This is the room. This is the living room. It's beautifully decorated. We can decorate this for you. People ask us, sir, is this include in this? No, it does not include. But if you are interested and if you want this apartment, then inshallah we can help you to decorate. We can help you to furnish this. We have a company, separate company, which is working for us. It is a sister company of us. In this 3-bedroom apartment, the kitchen is separated by this wooden walls, wooden doors. So you can easily enjoy your privacy in the kitchen and you can enjoy the aroma of the food within your home. This living room, then we have the guest room, then we have the kids room, and in the end, we have the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom. See how beautiful it is, how beautiful architecture this is. We have the closet, we have the bathroom attached, and please show this floor. This is the oak, the original oak. This is the reason it is expensive. Everything, the materials are used, they are beautiful, they are in the high end, high quality. As I've already told you in the previous videos also, you can easily control the environment of single room also and of the home also with your palm, with the smart home system. Now we are in the bathroom. It is just attached to the master bedroom. Let me show you the color contrast. The brown doors, the wooden floors, the contrast of this marble with this white or off-white color, it makes it more spacious, more royal and elegant. So I believe it has everything is built in this with the mind, with the aim to look elegant, to look classy, and to look, I believe, rich. You feel richness in this home because it is big, it is home, and in the actual apartments there will be high rise on the 15th floor and above. You will have 360 panoramic roof view of the Bosphorus and all these things around you. So I believe you will feel special that you got this apartment. In this kitchen, everything is included apart from the refrigerator or the fridge. Stove, ovens, we have here these things, dishwashers, and the quality is amazing. The quality is good, and you'll get the same as it is. You'll not have these coffee machines and all of these things. But apart from this, you will get everything what is included in it. And I believe the women, our mothers, our sisters, they will enjoy this time if you're gonna buy this for them, because it is huge. Because I love personally cooking by myself, as I have lived apart from my family for a couple of years. So I believe this is a good space. If you have friends, if you have family, and if you have a big family and your wife, sister, daughter, they love cooking, I believe you can give them the time here. You can just close this door and you just enjoy your football or cricket sitting into your living rooms. I believe now we came to the main part. This is the project, and ma'am, tell us about number of total units which we have and the type of units which we have.
In this project, totally we have 600 units.
600 units.
600. They start with 1+1 and goes up to 4.5+1.
Okay, and what is the green area around and what is the total area of our project is?
18,000 square meters is the total land area of the project. And out of the 18,000, we have 10,000 square meters of the green area. So the project will be really green and filled with the garden, trees, ponds, flowers.
As per the international standards and everything.
Yeah,
so
exactly.
what are the number of floors in the project?
Our main residential tower has 44 floors. And after 16th floor and up, we have the full Bosphorus view. Our big advantage that the Bosphorus view will not be covered by anything.
Anything.
You see quite open, quite wide, amazing view from the floors higher than 16.
Perfect. And this is the hotel just in front of us, right? And one we have the hotel just in front of our project too, right?
Exactly. This is Rotana Hotel. It's a very famous international brand. They have more than 100 hotels all over the world. All of them are 5-star. For us, it's actually very important because it will also give our main residential tower the full services, like let's say housekeeping. We will have the kindergarten services. We will have the food room services, and yeah, exactly that kind of things. Like basically, whatever the hotel has to offer, we're gonna be also
we can
doing
enjoy
for
this.
the exactly. We will be doing also for the residential.
So the parking of both of this, the hotel and our residence, it will be separate, right?
Definitely, it will be separated. So the parking lot for the hotel will be separate, and for our main tower, for 1+1 units, we're gonna have one parking lot, and for the units that are bigger, we will have two parking lots under the ground.
Under the ground. And what about the social facilities? Swimming pools and everything.
We will have, first of all, we will have two main squares in the project. This is the first square right here. We will have 17 commercial units here. Mostly it will be restaurants and cafes, so definitely we will have something like Starbucks. We will have some
international
world names of the restaurants, 5-star restaurants. And on the other side, we have to go around the project. Right here, we will have the place which is called Spanish Garden. So it will be a very green, nice, quiet area with the outdoor swimming pool, spa center, and the fitness center. By the way, spa center and the fitness center, they will lay over 1,200 square meters, which is extremely big for the residents.
I believe so. I believe that we have everything around our project. We have good location. We have, I believe, the best things that we can cover. Car parking and everything that, and the social facilities also. What about the security and every these things? People have concerned about the reception and all these things. It is included in this, or where it will be?
First of all, we will have the CCTV cameras, which will be all over the residence. Plus, we will have the receptionist on the ground floor of the tower, which of course, like no one basically can enter without going through the security. And we will have the security all around the residence.
Perfect. And now we come to the main part about the pricing. Just give us the average starting price and the maximum price.
Let's say the prices here starts with $3,500 per square meter up to $4,500.
Okay.
Of course, it depends on the location and on the view.
So in this, what kind of views we can expect? Yani higher we go, we'll have the Bosphorus view. What other views we can get from here?
Actually, we have 360 degrees of the view in this building because we don't have any high buildings around us. So on the southeast side, we're gonna have the Bosphorus view. And as we will move around the building, we will see Levent and Maslak, you know, all of these high-rise business blocks. And on the other side, we will have the view of the Belgrade Forest. On this corner, we see Sultanahmet. One of the most amazing views in the city.
So now you have seen the apartment, you know the locality, you know the views, you know the everything, and you know the importance of this place, you know the importance of this land. So I believe that if you are a really serious investor or buyer, or if you are looking for a second home or your first home in Istanbul, Turkey, then I believe that this is the best place. You should invest here. You should come here with the family because this is a limited stock. I tell this every time, this land is limited. If we will wait this, that okay, maybe I'll think about it, maybe I'll see this after an year or 2 years, this will be gone. And the prices are growing like high because 2 days back the international flights is open here and soon we are expecting people from all around the world. They'll be coming here, they'll be investing here. So this is the right time now. You should think about it. You should make your mind, and you should start buying properties in Istanbul. You should start getting your passports in Istanbul if you will buy the property now online or by coming here within maybe next 2-3 months. Then by the end of this year you will have your Turkish passport, and then you can enjoy your life easily. You can work here, you can live here with your family, with your kids, and it's a beautiful country to live here. It's a beautiful city, I believe, with a rich history to live in. So I'll say that don't forget to subscribe, like and share our channel, and if you have any other queries you can always ask us, and our team will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.